What is meant by a linear equation? In terms of x and y, a first order degree equation is called as a linear equation. That is ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. In terms of x and y, a first order degree equation is called a linear equation. Suppose a linear equation with one variable is called what? Suppose, for example, in the linear equation, how many variables are there? Two variables are there. Okay, now let us suppose it is only one variable, that is either ax plus c is equal to 0 or by plus c is equal to 0, which is called as a simple equation. That is, a linear equation with one variable is called as a simple equation, and a simple equation has only one solution, that is a unique solution, that is ax plus c is equal to 0, x is equal to minus c by a, or by plus c is equal to 0, y is equal to minus c by b. Then what about a linear equation? A linear equation has infinitely many solutions. Okay, what we learn from this is a simple equation has a unique solution and a linear equation has infinitely many solutions. Let a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0, a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0 are two linear equations. Then immediately three different cases we can arise here. What are the three different cases? Now these three different cases are distinct, that is one is different from the other, that means possibility cases. Case 1, if a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2, then these are called consistent. Lines are consistent to each other. What is meaning of consistent? It is the nature is a consistent. Then see, so let us suppose, for example, this is the line L1. Next, the line L2. That is, consistent means they have at least one solution, that is a unique solution. Unique solution is different from the at least one solution. That the two lines are intersect each other, then the lines are called consistent. Another case is a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2. Case 2, if a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is not equal to c1 by c2, then what is the nature of the graphs? Let's see. X, y. This is the line L1. This is the line L2. That is the condition. If a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is not equal to c1 by c2, then the nature of the lines are parallel lines. For parallel lines, there is no solution, which is called as inconsistent. Next, case 3, if a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2, then the lines are coincident. If a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2, then the nature of the lines are coincident to each other. That is the nature of the graphs. See, xy that is L1, L2. What's the mean for that? For the same line, here you name it as a L1, here name it as a L2. What's the mean for that? That is L1 and L2, both the lines are coincide to each other. Okay, let us for example, now let us see these, we can see the two hands. Okay, now you can see these two are the two different models. Okay, then let us see them. If you join to each other, that means one is overlap with each other, then we can see from the front side it is only one. But see, now in the similarly, now we can learn three different cases. If a1 x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0, a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0, or the pair of linear equations, then three different cases we can erase. The case 1, a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2. That is, the nature of the lines are the consistent and the lines intersect each other. Condition 2, if a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is not equal to c1 by c2, these the nature of the lines are inconsistent and the lines are parallel to each other. And condition 3, if a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2, then they are coincide to each other. For this one also you have the infinitely many solution. Therefore, it is also called as consistent lines.
If you like this video, please give a thumbs up. Please subscribe to our channel to get more videos on CBSE syllabus.